Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install the Ring app step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. Look for the Play Store icon. It usually looks like a multicolored triangle on a white background. Tap that icon once to open it and wait a moment for the store to load fully. If you see a message that the Play Store needs an update, let it finish before you move on, so the next steps look the same as you see here. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search box at the top of the screen. It is usually at the very top, with a small magnifying glass icon on the left side. Tap inside that box once, so you see the keyboard appear at the bottom of your screen. If the keyboard does not pop up, tap the box again until you see the blinking cursor. Now type the word Ring into the search box. Use your keyboard to spell it as R-I-N-G, and you should see suggestions appear underneath as you type. When you see Ring in the list, you can tap it, or you can tap the search button on your keyboard to confirm. If you accidentally type an extra letter, just use the backspace key to correct it before you search. From the search results, select the app called Ring Always Home. Look for the official Ring logo, a simple word Ring in light blue letters on a white background, and check that the app name says Ring Always Home. Tap that result once to open the app page and make sure it is published by Ring.com to avoid installing a wrong or fake app. With the app page open, tap the Install button. The Install button is usually a green button near the top right area of the screen. Tap it once and you should see it change to show that the download has started. If it asks for permission to download over mobile data, decide if you want to use your data plan or wait until you are on Wi-Fi. Next, wait for the installation to finish. You will see a progress circle or a bar move as the app downloads and then installs in the background. This can take from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on your internet speed, so just leave the screen open and let it complete. When it is done, the install button will change to an open button, which tells you the app is ready to use. Once you see the open button, tap open to launch the Ring app. The Ring Always Home app will start, and you will see the Ring logo for a moment while it loads. After that, the first screen of the app will appear, usually with options to sign in or get started. If you ever close the app by mistake, you can always find it again in your app list under the name Ring. Finally, sign in or create a Ring account. If you already have a Ring account from a previous device, tap Sign in and enter your email address and password carefully. Then follow any prompts to confirm, such as a code sent to your email. If you are new to Ring, tap the option to create an account. Fill in your email and a strong password, and follow the on-screen steps until you reach the main Ring home screen. A helpful detail is that your devices and settings are stored in your Ring account, so once you sign in, they will be available on any phone where you install the app and log in with the same account. You have now installed the Ring Always Home app from the Google Play Store and signed in or created your Ring account. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.